In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a business location on Instagram. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on your profile and click on the three lines at the top. You're then going to click on Settings and Account. You're then going to scroll down and see the option and click Switch to Professional Account. You're going to click Continue, 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 and click the option that best describes you. I'm going to use Education. You're then going to click Done, and it'll take a few seconds to actually finish creating the account, but it'll open up here and make sure to click Business so that you can add a location. You're going to click Next. You can sign up for that if you would like, and then you're going to add a business address. Now, you're going to add the address, the city, the town, and the zip code, and that is all there is to it. Once you're done, you click Done, and you have a business location on Instagram that you can actually add to stories as well. That's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.